it comes with this sticker, or I don't know what to call it. It's definitely a used and pre-used product. That's the first problem. The second problem is in this bottom tray, it's not good aligned. Like, do you see that? It is hitting this rubber in the corner and it doesn't go further. So you have to manually pull it a little bit up and then it lets itself through. That's also a design mistake. Another problem is this propeller here. It's very short. Like, let me make it like this, vertical, and let me put this again inside. And if you can see, almost this portion, like almost 10 centimeters from front and back of this tray, like that much, it will never hit water, which is a bad design mistake again. The upper tray looks like that. So there's this shelf for small glasses probably, and there are these things probably attaching like long spoons and stuff. It's not bad. And that comes up and moves, let itself probably move a bit upwards or downwards. I haven't checked that yet. And the final mistake, in the box it has to have some sticker to cover this part to protect your furniture from the hot air vapor. It's already shown here. The where is it? Yes. No, not this one. Where was that one? So there is these two little stickers for something else. But yeah, that one, the number 5, the one to put here to protect it. But unfortunately, the number 5 did not exist in the scent box. It didn't come out. It doesn't exist in the box. Here is the energy stickers. Here is the insurance papers, etc. It's a Slovenian product, I would say. So yeah, it has a missing item that didn't come from the product box. Yeah, and one last problem. It also comes with this, yeah, first use detergent. Some QR codes that I don't know what it is for, and some more stuff that probably will be used to build up the machine completely. The one last thing that is problematic is that if you live in Germany, you have to attach this exhaust pipe into this kind of inlet of a undersink, and for that you will need a shackle to make this tighter, make it watertight. I would expect such a shackle to come from the product, but it didn't. So yeah, overall it has some design mistakes and missing parts. Yeah, but it's yeah, overall I would say middle quality product.